Hey, I'm Lilia and I'm working in software testing for the past 21 years. And in this video I would like to explain why software testing is not easier than the programming. Because I know that some people consider software testing as an initial point of entry into the IT because they think that software testing is easier. So let's consider two developers. Junior developer and a senior developer. Junior developer should know programming language, at least one, and some frameworks. And that's all. But if we are talking about a senior developer, she should know, of course, several programming languages and several frameworks and error handling and some troubleshooting and many other things like system architecture and so on. If we will talk about a software tester, she should know the system on the level of a senior programmer, because she is responsible for the troubleshooting, she is responsible for the defects verification, the defects localization through the system, and that's why she should know everything about the system, from the database to the user interface. And she should understand the root cause of every defect. Because, even if we see the defect on the user interface, it doesn't mean that the root cause of this defect is on the user interface. The root cause could be in the deep of the system, like in some service, say backend, and in the database, or in some integrated software, for example. So the tester should be able to understand everything from the system and from the integrated systems, and should be able to understand any technical requirement, even if she is not familiar with this particular technology and she is not familiar in this particular architecture and so on, because she is a tester and she has a responsibility to understand everything from the technical point of view. But this is not the end, because if we are talking about the developer, either junior or senior or any other level of development, the technical point of view to the system is enough to work as a developer. But if we are talking about a tester, it is not enough, because from time to time tester should switch from technical point of view to business point of view, because tester is like an advocate of a user or a customer in a technical team. She should understand the business value of the software, the business value of every particular feature, and why this feature is needed to the user, and how this feature will be connected to others in the software. So the business point of view is important as well. And another aspect of the work of software tester is environment. Because yes, of course, we could have DevOps on the project, but it is not like a rule. Sometimes we don't have any DevOps, and in this situation, the DevOps work is a responsibility of software testers. So as you can see, software testers should be able to understand the technical side of the application, the business side of the application, and together with all that, software tester should be able to configure the environment for testing. And after that speech, please think again. If testing is still much more easy than the development, and if it is a good initial point for you, if you want to be somebody else, not a tester. If you are interested in other aspects of QE work, please subscribe to our channel and watch QA Mentor speech videos here. Good luck!